This is a question that I get constantly across all my platforms since the 6.7 kit came out for your ETM RTR. How well do the big wheels work and how much does it change the ride? Well, today we plan on answering that. We're gonna go ahead and install these big wheels on our ETM RTR behind us and then head into the trails and see what it really feels like. So let's get to installing. All right, boys, we got the big wheels on the bike. We have the 6.7 kit ready to go. Let's go plug these wheels into our app, hit the trails.
All right, let's go, boys. The 150's with us. We got the Ultra Bs. We got the big wheels right now. That 150 is barking, dude. Oh, dude, the big wheels are so sick with this kit. It feels so much better. This thing has so much balls, it's crazy. The big wheels are so much nicer for the trails, too. So if you guys are hearing this bike right now, the chain noise is crazy. We're actually still rocking the gold chain because it's the only thing that I have for this kit. If you guys do have the chance to get your hands on another chain, go get the big boy chain. It's gonna make your riding a lot easier. Here we go. Good. I'm glad I was filming that. Can I see that? I think we both tweaked our bars a little bit. I saw you and I was like, fuck. He might know I'm coming, he might not. You're good? You all right? Got my hand a little bit. I heard you and I was like, nah, he knows I'm here. Dude, you ripped my glove on me. As long as you're good, I saw it and I was like, ah, brakes. Dude, the big wheels feel so sick. Trails are so rocky and you can't see anything, but the big wheels, dude, these things, ow, these things are insanely nice. Put this thing in mode 2 because she's got mega juice right now. It's definitely a good switch up for like some trails or even like a muddy track. It would be really good at. Oh, we got a little food center, I guess, over here. I think we got our trusty tools with us because we're gonna do a little chain maintenance real quick. Look how loose that chain is. Quick little 2 turns. Maybe even 3. Do the same on this side. Make sure we're even. Yep, we are. Just like that. She's tight again. This is the absolute spot right now. Oh yeah. Whoa! Look at that. This is a pretty convenient spot to land, honestly. Oh yeah, dude. Big wheels for the dirt jumps might be the move. They honestly are so nice. Like with the 6.7 kit, the big wheels feel completely different. You have just enough power, and obviously you could adjust everything in the app, but sick power. The wheels get over everything perfectly, and we could hang with the Ultra Bees.
right, guys, I guess it's safe to say that the big wheels with the 6.7 kit is a completely different bike. When it comes to goofing off in the trails, having some fun, and just wheeling around the streets, I think it makes the bike a little bit more controllable, but it is a totally different feeling. Me personally, I love the 12 and 14 setup. I'll never get away from that, especially when you throw a set of Midas pit crosses on it. Totally a beast for the track. We're actually at E&C HQ right now, getting ready to ship up all those Black Friday and holiday deals. If you guys didn't already, make sure you use discount code JMR5 to save yourself a little bit of extra cash on a full ETM RTR or any of these parts that are behind me right now. But until that, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.